Hello everyone, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you fix the error, Instagram error, tie again later. When we going to upload any video in Instagram or any photo in Instagram, that's time you or we can find this kind of error, that's tie again later, or when we going to like someone post, this time we can find this kind of problem. So how can we fix that? For fixing the problem you have to take a screenshot of this problem. You can see I am taking a screenshot, and you have to go back from here and you have to go your Instagram. You can see here I am on my Instagram, and from Instagram you have to find your profile icon. You can see here my profile icon. You have to click here, and then you have to click here three dot line, and then from here you have to click here settings. You can see here settings. Then from here settings you have to find help. You can see here option help. You have to find help, and from here you have to find report a problem, and then you have to click here report technical problem, and then you have to click here included and continue. Then you have to explain here what's the problem. So here you have to write a message to Instagram team, and here you have to add an image. So which image you can see text screenshot, I have to upload it, and here you have to write a message to Instagram. So I write it before, simply I copy it from my notepad, and I will provide in my description. You can copy from my description, or you can pause the video and can take a screenshot and can copy it. So I am simply copying it, and then you have to go and explain why, and then you have to send it to Instagram team. And after sending this message to Instagram team, you have to wait, and you don't do any activity in your Instagram until fix it. It will fixed probably 72 hours. Within 72 hours after fixing that, you will got a message, and that's how you can solve this problem. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box, and I provide my Facebook link. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.